Looking for an affordable tourist accommodation sa Siquijor na pwedeng magluto at maglaba sa kanilang washing machine? Magkano at saan nga ba ito? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Mayong adlaw, this is J. Perpetual Kid at tara, let's explore Siquijor. Adriana's Guest House is located along the National Highway in Barangay Dumanhog, Siquijor, Siquijor. It is 3 kilometers away and 8 minutes travel time from Port of Siquijor. Tara't silipin natin ang una sa dalawang houses nila. Pagpasok mo pa lang ay bubungad na sa'yo ang full-size refrigerator, gas range for cooking, microwave, drinking water dispenser at mga cooking pots and utensils na nakatago sa mga aparador. As I mentioned earlier, pwedeng magluto dito. Sa itaas naman ang kanilang bunk bed that can accommodate up to 4 guests. It has a split-type AC, ceiling fan, flat-screen TV, electric kettle, cups for your coffee, and high-speed internet connection. Nasa labas naman ang kanilang comfort room na merong hot water heater for shower at washing machine para makapaglaba kayo ng damit. Puntahan naman natin ang kanilang second house na may same amenities lang din tulad ng naunang house. However, nasa loob ang comfort room ito while nasa labas naman ang kanilang lutuan. By the way, may mga solar lights sa loob ng rooms. So, magkano nga bang mag-book dito? For 2 guests at 1,300 pesos per night, 3 guests for 1,600 pesos per night, and 4 guests at 2,000 pesos per night. Murang-mura lang ito knowing na pwede kang magluto at maglaba dito. Also, they have motorcycle for rent and tuk-tuk for island tour. For inquiries and bookings, please send an email to adrianasguesthouse@gmail.com or message them at their official Facebook page. Again, this is J. Perpetual Kid and we explored a new and affordable tourist accommodation in Siquijor, Adriana's Guest House. Hanggang sa susunod na biyahe, ayo-ayo!